I can't believe he's actually. I hope they actually get this car. If they really need to go and get this car, because it'll be great for their channel.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here of 5-Star Cars, where I give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world, and thank you very much for taking a few minutes out of your day to check out the channel. Yeah guys, so on today's episode we're going to be covering DDE, Stradman, Novitec and a few others. Before we jump into it, guys, hopefully you like this kind of stuff and you'll smash the subscribe button. If the channel doesn't grow, obviously, what's the point of me doing it? But I do want to get a project car for the channel. I do have a project car in mind that I want to buy, maybe in January or February, to show you guys how I modify cars here in Ireland. Maybe because I'm in Ireland, that's why YouTube just aren't pushing out my videos and people aren't seeing them to subscribe. So guys, by subscribing and watching them, the more to see it, the better it gets, and the bigger we get, the more stuff I can do for you. Now, I have noticed something, that my last AD sign was orange, so you could actually see it. This new one I got, the purple, is more white. It's like a white purple, so with my light that goes onto my face, it's coming out blurry, and I don't like it in the videos. It's annoying me, so I've come up with an idea. If we hit 2,000 subscribers, I will give away the Lamborghini LED sign as a giveaway. When we get close to the 2,000 subscribers, I'll figure out a way how to do a draw and give it away. So guys, all it is smash the subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and that's it. So hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Smash the subscribe button, and when we get near to 2,000 subs, I will figure out a way to announce a winner and give this one away, because I want to get the orange one. It looks a lot better in the videos. So on today's episode, as we said, DDE and a whole lot. Let's jump straight into it, and we will be starting off with DDE. So their latest video, or latest news coming from them, is the P1 hypercar is basically gone back, the SR Auto Group, and it looks like they're going to get 4 cars from what we can see. It is what it is. I don't think, as DDE fans, I'm a fan as well, it didn't bother me having the P1. The problem with the P1 stuff, you really kind of have to baby them, and you got to make sure they hold their value if you want to, do it as an investment, and he couldn't get insured in it, so I'd rather him just get the 4 cars and modify them than P1. So in this video that he did, one of the cars he's looking at is possibly, I can't believe he's actually, I hope they actually get this car. If they really need to go and get this car, because it'll be great for their channel. They basically the Mercedes AMG SLL Black Series, SLS Black Series, stunning car. Love it in white. This would be the spec I would go for personally. Shmi 150 spec, the navy with the silver, I don't like, but this one, all the white and the carbon, with the wheels, definitely. Now it's selling for 400,000 Canadian, which is really, it's a really good price for that Black Series. So I hope they get it and add it to the channel. That would be definitely one of the cars we pick. My other top 2 choices are always going to be the SVJ and the 765 LT. That basically, they're my top choices. The 4th one, I wouldn't care if it got a Urus or not, but I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. What would your 4 picks for DDE be? Are you glad? Would you want them to get the Black Series, or what other cars? I'm just interested to know. I would bring up your comments maybe in a video, and I will comment back to you in the comments below. Next on the list, guys, is Car Trek is back. I'm absolutely delighted. They're already on episode 2 for season 2. With Freddie and basically what's his name? The other two guys in it, my mind went blank. But Hoovie's Garage and Ed Bolian from Vinwiki. So if you haven't seen the series, you're missing out. It's brilliant. Some of the things they do, they have to buy 3 supercars with a price range and try and get them through different kind of tests that all the Tempest give them. And I'm just so glad it's back, because these 3 guys work so well together. So just here's a quick clip of Car Track. I think it's episode 2. Them trying to do drifts going around the corner, and it's just hilarious.
Yeah, to quote the Italians, this Maserati is about to get whacked.
Yes, it is.
there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. Are you glad Car Trek is back? Are you watching it? Who do you think has the best car out of it? Out of the three of them, I mean, Ed Bollion's Aston Martin Vanquish is the best looking for me. But when it comes to reliability wise, who's gotten the best deal out of it? Looks like Hoovy's definitely gotten the best one with the CL65. So I think he's going to end up winning it outright. Tavarish's Maserati is a piece of crap and looks like I don't even know if it's going to finish any of the stuff that's doing there. But yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of the series. Who do you think is going to win, and which is your favourite car out of the three of them? Be good to hear from me below. Next, on to who are we covering next? We're going to be on to Stradman next. So Stradman has sent his Bugatti Veyron off to PFS to get it unwrapped, and we have now seen the true colour of his Bugatti Veyron. It is a silver and grey. Obviously he's after getting the wheels, the wheels that came with it. He got them powder coated white, obviously to go with his new wrap when it gets done. Like, you know, I know he's getting it done with PFS. I think it's because they wrapped it. That's why he's giving it to them to get it unwrapped, and that's why he didn't give it to Faith or his friends in you know, in his local where he usually gets it wrapped, because it's a Bugatti and these guys are probably, you know, really are next level compared to the you know, compared to the Summit Life. So it's good to see. It's cool to see the original color. I actually really like the silver and grey. The white wheels on it are a bit different, but it looks pretty cool. Now he's put it out on Instagram what two-tone he should go with the wrap: purple and white, purple and dark chrome, purple and chrome, white with purple. Me personally, my choice I think is if he goes purple with black chrome. I mean, like, if he goes purple and white and white wheels, is just too much white. But then if you have black chrome or purple and white wheels, it's a bit kind of like, it's very hard to pull off a triple collar combo when your wheels are white, you know. I think he's mostly going to have he's probably have to go purple and white because of the white wheels. Can't see him pulling off chrome with white wheels, it just won't go. But let me know in the comments below, guys, what way would you want Stradman to wrap his Bugatti with the satin purple and white or chrome? And you know, I'd like to hear from you below what you think, because obviously you're Stradman fans, and aren't we all? So it'd be interesting to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Next on the list, guys, is going to be Novitec. Now, if you haven't come across Novitec, their channel, they've been doing a series, basically a diary, a supercar diaries with Novitec stuff on it, like springs and exhausts and all that kind of stuff. Their latest one, this is the third episode, is a 458 Speciale. The other two were, I think it was an SDJ was the first one and a 720S was the second one. You really need to check these out, guys. I really love them. They give so much information on the car. They sound amazing. It's just a good watch. Links in the description below for the videos, guys. I mean, it's just, this Speciale is lovely looking as well. It's grey with gold wheels. Not the best sounding out of the, because they obviously had the SVJ, the 720, and now the 458 Speciale. Out of the three of them, the SVJ sound the best, then the 720 and the 458. It's not, because it's a V8, it's not unbelievable, but here's a quick clip of the car being reviewed. And I never knew that this aero came down from underneath it, which was pretty sick. So if you've never known this, well, here you go.
I can imagine the aerodynamics just doing its thing. Giving you all the grip. And this engine! Oh my goodness!
And there you go, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think. It does sound nice, obviously, from the back, but inside I think it's just not as loud. But what a beautiful car. I mean, 458 Speciales. I was so intrigued by 458s after that video. I was like, wonder where in the world is the cheapest place to buy a 458. And the only place I could think of was Dubai. And I went online and I checked 458s for sale in Dubai. They are going for 99,000 euros, 99,500 euros. So you can get a 458, not a Speciale, but a 458 for under 100 grand in Dubai. Oh, if my business idea takes off, you know, I could be buying a place in Dubai and I could end up moving there because, my God, it's some place for supercars and for under 100 grand. Amazing. But Novitec, guys, I'm going to be covering their series. I think the next one they do, I'm going to cover it as well, because the cars they do are amazing and they sound amazing, and I just want to bring it to you guys. Last on the list is Matt Armstrong. If you haven't seen this guy before, I highly recommend going over to his channel. He is from the UK. He recently sold one or two of his cars, and he's purchased a Maserati Gran Turismo, and he's gotten a bit of a wrecked Audi R8. He is into rebuilding cars and fixing them up, and his latest video is him figuring out what is wrong with the fan on the front right of the Audi R8. He got the bumpers fixed. He's just trying to piece the car back together. It was a track car for people to go out and drive supercars around a track, so you know, there's a bit of work to be done to it. And I mean, I'm intrigued to see how this turns out, because first of all, I'm a bit gutted that he's sticking with the original front bumper and back bumper. I would have loved if he went down the line and got a full body kit for it, instead of keeping the original one. But you know, it's his car, his choice. That would have been what I would have liked, in my opinion. And yeah, he's doing some amount of work to it. He's getting bits and pieces done. It's a fun channel. I do like watching him, and it's just interesting to see how this build is going to turn out, and the amount of stuff he finds wrong with it as well. But he did find something wrong above the fan of the radiator. He found the culprit, so I think once he gets that fixed, it'll keep it turned off, because the fan was staying on all the time, and they found out it was leaking air pressure. So you know, there's what he's got to do to fix it, and I'm just interested to see how this turns out. I've always said this, guys, and I'm telling you right now, if you're watching up until now, fair dues to you. I'm not gonna lie to you, if this business idea of mine takes off, if I do it and with my friend it takes off, and in the first month if I make the money off it to buy an R8, I'm buying an R8, and that's the first thing I'm buying with that money. Because in my head I have a kit pick for it, wheels, what I want to wrap it, all that kind of stuff. If not, I'll go down the other project car route that I have in my mind. So, you know, support the channel, guys. Do subscribe, don't be afraid. You know, give the channel a chance. And for that, at the end of this video, that is everything for today. I will have another one out tomorrow and on Sunday, because I'm going to be doing nothing. I've been MIA the last 2 days because I work, guys. I get home late sometimes. I just don't have time to make the videos. So there's this one today. You're gonna have one Saturday and one Sunday, and we'll go from there. So thank you very much if you watched to the end. Please, God, subscribe, hit a like, definitely comment below. I will chat back to you guys, and stay safe. Peace out wherever you are in the world, and bye.